From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, State College. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Wednesday evening forecast. Let's first take a look at a time lapse over Beaver Stadium from earlier in the day. We can see that those clouds have been present since early this morning and persisted throughout the morning, and we can see by the water on the camera, we can see, and even by the tarps here blowing, we can see it's been windy and rainy out today. But even with the temperatures at that time, they were in the lower 50s, much warmer than we've been seeing previously, but still being brought down by those wind gusts. And the temperature change in the past 24 hours, we're up almost 10 degrees here in State College. Most of the high temperature spots here we're going to find in eastern Pennsylvania, specifically northeastern Pennsylvania here, Williamsport up 11 degrees from where they were in the past 24 hours. But as we look further west, we can see some places are in a decline. Our high for that right now is under 5 in Franklin from where they were in the past 24 hours. Let's take a look now at what we saw in the time lapse from a radar standpoint. We can see lots of blues and lots of yellows here as that rain made its way through earlier today, and much of that has since passed, but during the day, it was definitely a significant amount of rainfall. And while that was happening, which will come important when we look at the future, we can see the back half of this system was dropping lots of rain in the Midwest, as well as some significant amounts of snow here in places like Wisconsin. And as the rain here moved out, this snow and wintry mixed precipitation is starting to move in here to Pennsylvania. Let's take now a look at that future weather. We can see in just a little bit, we can see most of that heavy rain has moved eastward to parts of New England, leaving State College a bit more dry with some scattered showers potential throughout the evening as Thursday begins. We can see that snow chances moves through pretty quickly here. We can see much of this snow is going to get broken up by parts of elevation to our west out here, and we can see that it curtails it quite significantly, but still the chance for some possible snow showers is prevalent. But when we're looking at early Friday morning, we can see much of that precipitation chance has moved off, just leaving some clouds as well as some lower temperatures here in the morning. And taking a further look out, we can see that rain and snow that we saw from over here has since passed, and then another system that moved its way across the Midwest here on Saturday will, or very early Saturday morning, bring mostly snow with as well as a wintry mix of rain as well here. That'll have much more of a significant impact in the early morning, but by midday on Saturday and even into Sunday, we can see those clouds start to break up, which will bring in some sunshine. We'll take a look in just a moment at the temperatures for them, but first let's take a look at the temperatures for tonight. 34 here in State College with a stray shower possible with those winds 10 to 16 miles per hour. And for tomorrow, we can see some cold and breezy conditions, 15 to 20 mile per hour winds, so expect gusts up to 35 miles per hour, and your temperature will be 37 degrees. And taking a look at the 7-day forecast, we can see that those overcast 37 on Thursday with those rain showers returning on Friday for 44 degrees, back down to 38 with some snow showers possible early Saturday, and then mostly cloudy on Sunday, 42 degrees up to 50. That should be a cloud right there. And mostly sunny on Monday, and Tuesday 60 degrees, partly sunny and partly cloudy with some rain back in the forecast for Wednesday, 60 degrees. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your Wednesday.